Alright, curly girls, this one's for y'all. So Viore gifted me their Hidden Waterfall shampoo and conditioner bars, and y'all, I was not expecting it to hit like this. My hair's been full of gel for like the past month, so we're going in through the perimeter, making sure we get all of the crusty gel out. We're going through the scalp to the ends. This shampoo requires one application, that's it. And it doesn't leave your hair feeling stripped of every single oil like most shampoo. Now I'm going in with their conditioner bar. This one's a little bit harder to work through, so you gotta really like put your shoulder in it, but same effect. It will leave your hair feeling so hydrated, it's ridiculous. So this is me just making sure I get those ends that really struggle with dehydration. And then I'm going in with my detangling comb. Rinsing this out is a absolute breeze. You can honestly feel the difference immediately after one wash. So this is me completely rinsed out. Curls are popping, are you seeing?